Oh, yes, I've seen here. I'll go back to those.
Are you guys taking around your computer?
Like, Lucas, we're finished here, but it's good. You can just join me for a free sign. It's just, it's
But I want to
right.
I want you
It's really
to write.
mine. It's for
Mike, I look in the loop. Why exactly? We are planning for the worst, but we are not going to lose the shot. I am not going to let the shot stand.
a long day, no see you.
You never know when you try this for the first time. Oh, you never. It's just cutting up their bird.
I mean, this is the thing that my standard is.
Yeah, I have a good feeling. I shouldn't say this because I've been known to be wrong in the past, but I think the weather is looking fantastic. Everything is green. I see all greens on the launch, on the launch displays, which is always good. The team is tracking no significant issue. So obviously it is space. It is complicated. There's a lot of moving parts. But I have a good feeling. I hope it goes. It will go at some point, it's just a matter of when, but we need it to go because we have some work to do after this. This is just the beginning, but it starts today. I think people are enthusiastic. I think, there was a time between the last shuttle flight and the first SpaceX Dragon flight when humans were not launched from here anymore. And that was maybe a difficult time. But since a few months, years, now we're launching humans again with SpaceX and NASA from here. And I think this is another significant milestone. So once this rocket goes, people are going to be so excited. People are going to finally realize that we're going for real. I mean, the magnitude of going back to the moon in the way that we're trying to is it just blows my mind. So I just can't wait.